Hello, myself Sunil Ramakrishna. Here basically we are discussing the short videos of the investment of the software industry basically. So one of the person told that Microsoft basically don't have anything basically. He just have one name Microsoft because he is taking everything from the outside basically. So after this video basically the Microsoft Bill Gates assume that basically this video basically watched by Microsoft Bill Gates. So he will be thinking basically, yaar, what I would be having basically, yaar, basically what actually I have basically. That also basically literally ask the question basically because I am taking tax box from that cities. Government is giving the approval because I am paying the tax amount, subscription amount. That's why basically I am getting. SAP also group basically started thinking basically, यार हमारे पास क्या है basically. SAP basically told in Hindi basically. That means he might be Sanskrit person basically. So one of the person told that, यार SAP also basically told, यार basically what actually हमारे पास क्या है, what we have basically. Then Java group basically suddenly jumped from the Vashi basically. Because Vashi basically is having the Java development software company basically. There basically it develops the all the classes, namespaces, which basically we derived in the Java basically. On the base of that basically the text box basically if you want to derive, they basically derive the classes, namespace basically. So one of the person told that everybody basically are taking everything. If condition is also basically taken from the other groups. That is the thousand cities basically. So one of the person told that what SAP basically have, what Microsoft Bill Gates basically have, what Oracle group basically have. Because everything basically they are taking from the governments. Because this thing basically I am 100% sure basically American government also basically might not be knowing. If you want to ask American government basically, you can ask them basically. And government will say basically, "Arey bhai, we basically don't know this everything. We will ask to the software companies basically. If you don't know basically, then how the software company government company group basically might be knowing." So one of the person told that, "Yaar, it might possible that basically day night basically the text box will get disappear basically after this thing basically." Then one of the person basically who actually invested in the current president basically, he basically got tense basically because I have invested lots of money basically with the American government basically, current government basically. So next video basically we are going to see a little bit more about the topic.